Look at this.
Hello random YouTube people. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn some regular Magna-Tiles into a 3D hologram for your kids. I mean, come on, how cool is that? Your kids are going to love it. And let's be honest, you're going to love it too. Let me show you how to do it. Right after this.
Subscribe.
Making this little DIY 3D hologram is really quite easy. All you need is a phone and a couple Magna-Tiles. You're going to make this shape with the Magna-Tiles. You'll need 6 squares and 2 right-angled triangles. So we'll start with 3 squares on the bottom and then another 3 where we're going to make a box with an opening. And then we're going to have some triangles to just be for stability purposes. And that's the basic shape. Lastly, you're going to take one more square piece and put it on an angle inside the box. And this is what creates the illusion of the hologram, is having this piece on an angle. I've tried different colors. I like blue the best, but feel free to experiment. Next, on your phone, just open up YouTube and search for 3D hologram videos. You'll find a decent selection of videos to choose from. Just go ahead and pick one and then cue it up on your phone. Flip it over so the phone is face down, and you can see it already is starting to work the magic. That angled Magna-Tile and its reflectiveness is creating the hologram illusion right there. And already, doesn't it just look so awesome? That was so easy, wasn't it? Now, if you want it to look even cooler, go ahead and flip the lights off. You can see that the darkness just reflects on the Magna-Tiles, and it just looks really cool. And to your kids, this will just be so magical. They will just want to sit in front of this and look at it all the time. Granted, I know this is screen time, quote unquote, but this is really fun and engaging for your kids. So if you're just looking for a fun, quick activity, here you go. Just build this simple little contraption with Magna-Tiles, get out your phone, load up a hologram video, and you're done.
Whoa, Nemo. This one. Nemo vines. A Nemo green. That's an angle.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Now have fun DIYing your own hologram machine. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video, comment, share it with everybody that you know, and don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.